Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's me. Who's me?
Jojo, and it's me, Shruts, and we are here.
Yeah, like we promised you in the Azad Hai reaction, we will get to Anjan very soon because the Eunice doesn't stop dropping stuff.
And neither will we.
And then I keep getting DMs after DMs after DMs. So anyway, this is with Jani. We reacted to Jani's song, na? Cry on Cue, please.
Yeah,
I think
right.
uske
It was nice,
baad
very nice song that was.
nice. We love the vibe of that one. This one has Jani with Nabil Akbar and Tala Yunus. Produced by Super Duper Sultan and mixed and mastered by Joe K.
Super. Let's
As
get to
always.
it.
So, okay, TK, let's get to it. Let's see what the vibe is. Lyrics are pinned here. I don't think this has a video.
Yeah.
This creative looks quite funny, with the flowers and all. It look like what?
It's very yesteryear.
90s, 80s film
Huh.
poster. We'll have Jitendra Devanand coming out of the bushes and singing a song.
Okay, don't put visuals in the head. But I'm imagining that only.
But this random like flower picture is very funny. Okay, chalo, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, play.
Sound bhi वैसा ही है.
I know. We guessed it right.
वाकिफ हकीकत से फिर भी अनजान है अश्कों से बह जाए रेत का मकान ये ज़माने से मैं बाकी क्यों मुनाफिक हूँ मैं दागी हूँ मैं भूला अपना माजी हूँ फिर होना मुझसे राजी तू मैं मुश्किलों का आदी हूँ कह दूँ मैं तुझको काफी कुछ ये दिल बयाबान है मैं मीर का दर्द हूँ मैं इकबाल का ख्वाब हूँ मैं उम्मीद की किरण एक बस थोड़ा सा हाजिर जवाब हूँ कैसे घोटते गला इस कला का जमाना जला था बता तो करा क्या करूँ सलाह का लिखता जब बला का फिर भी नहीं बन सकता मर के मैं तला सा जिंदगी सफर ये क्या ना आसान था क्या लड़ता तुझसे मैं खुद से बेजार था वो जश्न मनाते फिर मेरी हार का भले मत पड़ियो इसके पर पे फातिया वो अपने अनजाने ना होते तो लिखे ये गाने ना होते और तुम भी दीवाने ना होते अगर हम मशहूर जमाने ना होते कला ही क्या जिससे होना मुतासर वो उल्फत ही कैसी जो बना दे काफिर वो सफर ही क्या जो भटके ना मुसाफिर हम खाना बदोश कहाँ जाए आखिर डर नहीं है खतरों से सर खोले पत्थरों से खून लगे कपड़ों पे दया बड़ी कब्रों पे दिल बड़े सपनों से लड़ पड़े अपनों से आंखों देखा हाल मेरा कलम बड़े जख्मों ने वाकिफ हकीकत से फिर भी अनजान है अश्कों से बह जाए रेत का मकान ये ज़माने से मैं बाकी क्यों मुनाफिक हूँ मैं दागी हूँ मैं भूला अपना माजी हूँ फिर होना मुझसे राजी तू मैं मुश्किलों का आदी हूँ कह दूँ मैं तुझको काफी कुछ ये दिल बयाबान है आजकल रह दिल ये उदास मेरा साथ चल मेरा दिल ये आवाज दे रहा वैसे नाम मेरा लेते तो काफी हैं चंद लोग दिल से पूछते जो हाल मेरा बादल सर पे काली घटा जैसा बिना दर्द जिंदगी का मजा कैसा वैसे हम तो शुरू से ही बागी हैं मैंने मौत को खुद अपना पता भेजा लोग की मगर ढूंढ लेते फैंस अब कैमरा निकाले फौरन जैसे बोले हैंड्स अप पुलिस लगी पीछे लेके हैंडकफ 400 पीस मगर लोग देते मैड लव सबकी उम्मीद के मैं कर दूंगा सेट सब सोचता कभी के मैं छोड़ दूं क्या रैप अप आई डोंट वांना लीव इतने साल तुझे देखकर तेरे बिना जीने से मरना ही बेहतर स्टार वाला नहीं असली का रैपर फाड़ दूं मैं तुझ जैसा नकली का रैपर प्यार मेरा आर्ट मेरे जाने के बाद भी करेंगे मुझे याद के मैं नस्ली था रैपर मुझसे हक देख करे खाली शिट टॉक मेरा राइटर तेरा आता शिट ब्लॉक मेरे गानों पे तेरी बेबी के टिकटॉक मेरे बिना पूरा कैसे होता इधर हिप हॉप मेरा राज रहेगा बिना ताज के मेरा आज बनेगा इतिहास ये जान डाली गेम में गेम मेरी जान तुझे भूख खाली फेम की तू मान या ना मान तेरी एक नहीं जबान ना कोई दीन ना ईमान तो फिर तू कम नस्ल तो फिर तू बदगुमान कितना कमा लेगा बन के बेईमान एक दिन तूने भी देनी है रब को ही जान वाकिफ हकीकत से फिर भी अनजान है अश्कों से बह जाए रेत का मकान ये ज़माने से मैं बाकी क्यों मुनाफिक हूँ मैं दागी हूँ मैं भूला अपना माजी हूँ फिर होना मुझसे राजी तू मैं मुश्किलों का आदी हूँ कह दूँ मैं तुझको काफी कुछ ये दिल बयाबान है लिखे गाने बड़े मैं दीवानों से अपने ये कहता रहा लिखते अफसाने बड़े मगर कागजों पे लहू बहता रहा मेहमानों को सहता रहा, घर मेरी खुशबू से महका रहा, कहानियां सुन सुन में बहका रहा, जब असल में देखा तो कहका लगा, दिखावे की दुनिया से आज तो गुट रहा, जैसे जो बरसे वो बादलों बैठे उम्मीदों में गुस्से में आ गिरूं, जाने मुनाफिक मगर फिर भी दावत दूं, किससे गिला करूं, किसको बुरा कहूं, किसको मैं जाके ये किससे बया करूं, कहते हम दुश्मन तेरे मैं दुआ करूं, लफ्जों की कह दिए कैसे रिहा करूं, कलाकार बने मेरे पर इंसान नहीं, मुझे मालूम नहीं है कीमत अपने नाम की, माल बहुत है पर करने ना दे छानबीन, स्लम डॉग मिलियनेयर बने फिरे गांधी, सरहद पार मेरे यार पूछे हाल मेरा, खोए सके यार नहीं मनाऊंगा मैं साल गिरा, चुके देखा बाल मेरा, आगे खुद ही गाल दे रहा, देंगे वो मिसाल मेरी जैसे मैं मिसाल देता, अंदाज़े बया ये अलग इतना, तस्वीरें बनाता रहा, चाहे अपने भी मुखालिफ हों, गाने तो गाता रहा, मैं मिर्जा में गालिब भी जैसे इनमें इजाफा रहा, लड़ लेंगे बिना तलवारों के इन हाथों से वादा रहा, वाकिफ हकीकत से फिर भी अनजान है, अश्कों से बह जाए रेत का मकान ये, ज़माने से मैं बाकी क्यों मुनाफिक हूँ, मैं दागी हूँ, मैं भूला अपना माजी हूँ, फिर होना मुझसे राजी तू, मैं मुश्किलों का आदी हूँ, क्या दूँ मैं तुझको काफी कुछ, ये दिल बयाबान है.
Wow. In their true blues style, it is such a heavy song, right? When सुनने के बाद लगे कि हाँ, एक rap सुना है, एक वो वाली जो feeling आती है ना, like where you actually
सुनी है,
poetry सुनी है, और पूरा and पूरा like spoken word सुना है, जहाँ पूरा सुनने के बाद सबके ख्याल सुनने को मिले हैं. So it started off, I think, with Jani, right? That was Jani's voice, so beautiful. His voice has
also the voice,
Yeah, the verse and the voice. So voice is the first thing that hit me, because मेरा ध्यान हमेशा पहले voice पे जाता है. So that आवाज का, there was this like, I wouldn't call it a kharash, but there was like this hook within the voice. I don't know how to describe it. Like, आवाज के अंदर ही एक वो twist था, which was stunning. I couldn't get over, I couldn't focus on what he was speaking, because my focus was so much on his voice, on listening to the texture of it. Then after a while I was like, नहीं सुन भी लो कि वो बोल क्या रहा है. तो जो obviously the verse also was really nice. And
Such
then
a good verse.
yeah, it was just very, and spoken very smoothly, very good start to like just pull you in and take you in the song, And then of course I think Nabeel Akbar came in. His verse was nice, but I mean, it wasn't a flow that I've not heard before, so it wasn't like which stood out immediately, but it was really nice. Like I heard it and everything. Then Super Duper Sultan, that was a little like, it was a bit of an eye-opening experience, because I don't think we've heard him before, have we? Right? So ek tarika tha again of the flow and the way he was speaking, it was very interesting. Like it made me like
there was no Super Duper Sultan on the vocals. He's just given the
music. Wasn't, right? That was just so which is why I was like,
the last one, it was Tala Yunus.
So that's what happened. By that time, because my senses were listening to the song so much, I was so absorbed in it, I fully lost track of kaun ga raha hai, kaun nahi ga raha hai, who's speaking, who's singing. And I was like, okay, maybe it's not important. Just surrender. Like, it is not important to know who is singing, and just listen to the song for what it is. But that is very difficult to do, because immediate like shivers and rushes happen the moment whose voice comes in.
We know.
Yes.
You know.
When you know.
As Anjum would say. मेरे साथ कितने साल से Talha Yunus.
I swear, Talha Yunus's voice. It's just the moment he started singing, I was like, I don't need to know kaun ga raha tha, kaun nahi ga raha tha, because immediately like I had a physical reaction to his voice.
Yes, I saw. I couldn't control the smile. I was like, I'm not going to smile this time. And then I was like,
right. And his flow, there was this, I don't know what would you call it, in the middle of a mumble rap, but very clearly. Like there was like this non-stop word flow that was going on. Like he didn't stop, but it wasn't like a chopper flow. Chopper flow hoti na, just like you're just going at it. Waisi nahi thi. It was like literally the words were rolling off his tongue, but without a pause. But every 4 words, there was a meter. Meter run kar raha tha. They were literally like, but he wasn't stopping. It was just, I haven't heard him do this kind of a flow before. And if
I haven't either, which is why I feel like he's on this. I feel like with every track that he's dropping, he's on he's on a mission to reinvent himself with every track and sort of just give something new. Because, and I feel
Seriously.
like maybe it also comes from what I've read in the comment, where people have always talked about Yunus has this one sort of distinct style of flow that comes in every track, and I think he is
Yeah.
trying to now do other things in terms of his flow and his cadence, and he's changing that purposely. His delivery,
Yeah.
he's changing purpose, because he's like, I can do a lot more, guys. Wait, hold on, it's coming.
He clearly can.
Here's a new one for you to feast on. So
We've
that's
heard
happening.
so much of him,
Yeah,
and uske
yeah.
baad bhi, if we can be surprised and say, "Oh my God, what did he just do?"
Yeah,
Wow,
yeah,
wow.
yeah. So and I think that's what I'm loving the most about Tala Yunus in the newly dropped, like we've gone and heard his mixtape, his 6 mixtape.
Yeah.
We've heard the older Young Stars, not all of them. Yes, we know, not all of them. We've heard whatever we've heard, and then we've heard Khana Badosh, and we've heard the new drops as and when
Correct.
they've dropped. This channel was existing, so we've covered them as and when they dropped, and it's very distinct for a listener to notice the different things that he's trying and experimenting with.
Yeah.
And the thing is, it's landing. It's landing.
Yeah.
More often than not, it's landing, and it's making an impact. So
Absolutely.
it's working. And in
Yeah.
this track, so I'll just go from the start. I feel like my favorite verse was Jani's, very closely followed by Yunus's, and then
Yeah.
Nabil Akbar's. But I feel like Jani's words and his lines were just so deep and so poetic and so like truth bombs. Even Nabil Akbar, for that matter, the second verse that came in, so many truth bombs, and just but it wasn't like a flow or a style that we hadn't heard before, like you said. So for me, it was like, okay, it was a nice verse and it fit there. What stood out to me in this song was the fact that both Jani and like Yunus, I think Jani's done this. We've heard that kind of a little bit of that auto tune electronic effect given to the voice, and that sort of laid back slowish flow where it's not there's no way, I'm not saying it's in the mumble zone at all, but it's in that zone where you're not completely opening your mouth when you're spitting the lines. It's a sort of half closed mouth. So I don't know if there's a term for that kind of delivery style, but I feel like that's what the vibe of this song was. And then I feel like maybe Jani wanted to keep it in that zone where your the delivery is very laid back. So I'm not gonna say that I didn't like that in the song. It really worked. This is a song I can loop, and I will loop it. But it's not my favorite go-to delivery style, because sometimes I feel like I can't hear the word clearly. That just went by me. So so I'm not saying because I feel like towards the end there was a little bit of speeding up that happened in Jani's work. So if I wasn't reading the lyrics while listening to it, I may have missed those words. But I'm not. I'm not saying
that didn't happen to me today.
I'm
I
not
wasn't
saying
reading
okay.
the lyrics today.
So yeah, this might get misconstrued. I'm not saying they weren't clear. I'm saying that because of the delivery style, where maybe you're not completely opening your mouth when you're this thing. If you're, and because the flow is speeding up, it could come and go by without you actually hearing what was said. That's all I'm saying. So in that sense, it is not my best. It is not my favorite style of delivery. I just like it when they but having said that, also this is a good experiment, because it's definitely a vibe. This kind of delivery creates its own vibe and its own sort of feel in the song. This very chill, this very laid back. I'm gonna say the things I want to say, and
I kind of like
it.
By chance it's rolling off. Like मैं बोलना चाहता बोल रहा हूँ लेकिन बोल नहीं रहा हूँ, लेकिन बस बोल रहा हूँ.
It's like आप बैठे हो friends के साथ, you're all laying back on the couch and you're just talking to each other like, "Huh, buddy, what's up? Like, I didn't have a great day." Like, it's kind of like that in that zone. So it works. It works. Because it's just a vibe. It's a good vibe. So I wanna actually point out some lines from Jani's verse, which was so hard hitting and so deep. I really liked everything he said. This one was that. वो अपने अनजाने ना होते तो लिखे ये गाने ना होते, और तुम भी दीवाने ना होते अगर हम मशहूर ज़माने ना होते. So कला ही क्या जिसे होना मुतासिर, वो उल्फत ही कैसी जो बना दे काफिर, वो सफर ही क्या जो भटके ना मुसाफिर. I love that line. सफर ही क्या जो भटके ना मुसाफिर, हम खाना बदोश कहाँ जाएं आखिर. So good. Like, I'm gonna go through the lyrics offline because I always ruin them when I read them on camera. But so good, yeah. Why these guys are so good? It just hurts in a good way. But
I just wonder आज कौन सा गाना release होगा.
I don't think there will be. But before we go, I would just want to say that, like you said, Tala's delivery and his lines, uh, while reading the lyrics and listening to it, one line से next line पर your eyes are going. लेकिन वो ऐसे ही चल रहा है. वो चल रहा है
हाँ,
like it's one line. Like the
right.
line is not ending. It just went on and on and on, without a pause. And I was like, as usual, he's making us want to breathe for him. You know, so even in this kind of delivery that happened, this is just a beautiful song. It's just poetic, it's deep, it's talking about real things. Jani's talking about like life in general and friends and foes. Nabil Akbar is talking about, you know, other rappers and you know, how they're not real and they're just chasing fame and not actual art and all of that. And then Yunus, as always, is dropping his philosophical bombs and um अंदाज़े
Right.
बयां ये अलग, इतना तस्वीरें बनाता रहा, चाहे अपने भी मुखालिफ हों, गाने तो गाता रहा, मैं मिर्ज़ा मैं गालिब ही, जैसे इल्म में इज़ाफ़ा रहा, लड़ लेंगे बिना तलवारों के, इन हाथों से वादा रहा. आहा, आहा.
Too much. Very beautiful.
So good. Okay, so yeah, like you said, let's see what drops today. We don't know.
Yeah.
We are hoping nothing does, and then we can catch up with the older stuff. But
Correct.
but yeah, drop me a DM if there's any other song you want to request, any of the older stuff. Ms. Bola's new website is linked below in the description. Go check it out and keep vibing to this track. I know I'm going to. And let us know what your favorite bar was, whose verse you liked the most, and what you thought of our discussion on, you know, the delivery, the flow, the everything that we talked about. Basically, let me know. Engage with us in the comment section below instead of just requesting songs. है ना?
And while you're at it, don't forget to hit like and definitely subscribe. Zaruri hai.
Yes, ज़रूरी है. Chalo, we'll see you in the next one. Take care of yourselves. Live long and prosper.